Filing your income tax return might sound complicated, but it's actually simple when you know the steps. In this guide, we'll show you how to file your ITR online, whether you are a salaried employee, a freelancer, or a small business owner. So, let's get started. As a step 1, visit the income tax portal. Go to the official website www.incometax.gov.in. If you already have an account, you can log in using your PAN, password and the CAPTCHA code. If you don't have an account, click on register at the top right corner, enter your PAN number, your full name, date of birth and the contact details. Verify your mobile number and the email using the OTPs. Once verified, your account is finally ready to use. So now let's get towards filing your return. After logging in, go to e-file, click income tax return, click the option file income tax return. Choose the assessment year. For example, here the assessment year is 2024-25 and select online as your mode of filing. Then select your status, individual, HUF or others. Most people will select individuals. So here it's important to choose your ITR form in the step 3. So there are 4 types of ITR form. Here ITR 1 for salaried individuals with income up to Rs 50 lakh, one house property and other sources like bank interest. ITR 2 is for those with capital gains, multiple house properties or foreign assets. ITR 3 for individuals running a business or practicing a profession like freelancer, consultants or YouTubers. ITR 4 for small business owners and professionals opting for presumptive tax. If you are unsure, refer to the form guide on the portal or speak to a professional consultant. Step 4. Review pre-filled information. Now, the portal will show pre-filled data from your Form 16, Form 26AS and AIS, including income from salary, TDS already deducted, interest from savings or fixed deposits. If you are a freelancer or a business owner, much of this will be blank. You'll need to manually enter business or professional income, freelancing or consulting income, rental income if any, capital gains from shares or mutual funds, or any other income. Be honest and accurate and keep documents like invoices and statements ready. Here, step 5, claim deductions. Here, in deductions, your income tax is saved. Now enter your deductions under various sections. ATC, that is LIC, PPF, ELSS mutual funds, home loan principal if you have paid any. ATD, health insurance premium. ATG, donations to eligible organizations. ATE, education loan interest. These deductions help reduce your taxable income. Freelancers and business owners can also claim them if you have made those investments or payments. Step 6. Tax summary and payment. The portal now calculates your total taxable income, TDS deducted, tax payable or refund due. If you still owe tax, pay it online using net banking, UPI or a debit card. Make note of the challan number. You'll need it while submitting the return. Step 7. E-verify your return. This final step is crucial. Without verification, your ITR isn't considered valid. You can e-verify using Aadhaar OTP, net banking, Demat account or by sending a signed ITRV to CPC Bangalore. We recommend Aadhaar OTP for the fastest and easiest option. Done. Once you e-verify your return is officially filed, you will receive an acknowledgement called ITRV in your registered email. Keep it safe for your records. Why filing your ITR matters? Even if your income is below the taxable limit, filing ITR builds your financial profile. It helps when applying for home loans, education loans, visas, credit cards, and ensures smooth refund claims. So, whether you are drawing a salary, freelancing on weekends, or running your own small business, filing your ITR is your financial responsibility. File smart, file on time, and stay tax ready.